How to log into your locked Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log in or how you can recover your locked Facebook account. Now, head over to your browser or your Safari and search for Facebook Help Center. And once here, you'll find the option Account Disabled. Now tap on it, and if you scroll down below, you'll find the option My Personal Facebook Account is Disabled. Tap on it and head over there. Now if you scroll down below, you'll find the option What to do if you think your account was disabled by mistake. And then scroll down, you'll find the option Use this form to request a review. Now go to review and type in your email address which your account has been locked and your full name on the account, and choose file of your ID, your personal ID. It may be your national ID or something else, and then send it, and Facebook will review and get back to you on your Gmail or on your account. So hope this helps. Do like and subscribe. Do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.